how to make normal video slow motion on iPhone iOS 18 Plus. So if you have recorded a video on iPhone in a normal speed, you can make it into a slow motion with very simple steps. You just have to simply get a video recorded, and then you can just simply edit it, like you can convert it into slow motion. So here I have this video that I would like to convert into slow motion, and you can see right now it is in its normal speed. Now what you have to do is that you have to click onto this video, and at the bottom you'll see these three lines that has small circles onto it. You have to simply click onto it. After clicking on this option, we get into the editing mode, and at the top we have this timer icon. You have to click onto it, and then you have to select 50%, and then after that you can see we have this timeline. What you have to do is that you just have to simply expand it, and then you will notice that the video will get into slow motion. Here you can see this is in its slow motion. Before it was fast, and right now it's in slow motion. So that's how you can convert a normal video into slow motion on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.